Have you heard of Meritage Homes? Check out the McCory floor plan with me. This home is currently ready to move in. The McCory floor plan consists of 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, over 2,300 square feet. Leading down your beautiful hallway, to the left you'll find your bedroom and a full-size bathroom. And coat closet. To the right, you'll find the entrance to your 2-car garage and a seating area. And check out your open concept kitchen, 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, and Meritage Homes ready to move in package includes dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, and microwave. These are vinyl luxury flooring. Wash machine and dryer are included, and this is your primary suite with a ceiling fan, super shower, walk-in closet, and double vanity sinks. Entering your living room space, you'll see that you have a fan. And let's check out this backyard. Covered patio, deck, ready for ceiling fans outside as well. This is your flex room and loft area. Now let's continue down the hallway to find the other 3 bedrooms, full-size bathroom, give me a call, Sophia Granum, Realtor with Click and Move Realty Group. I've served San Antonio and surrounding areas. If you're looking for a Meritage home or new construction home ready to move in, I'll be more than happy to assist you. 804-519-0831. Don't shop alone. I make real estate simple.